Hello, welcome to Fabric Friday. My name's Liz. If this is the first time you're visiting, sorry, I've just knocked the camera. This accidental pinwheel block I've sewed together on point again. I put a flange half an inch, well, it looks like half an inch at the moment, but it's going to have a border sewn on, so it'll be a 1/4 inch flange binding. If anyone's interested on how I do that, drop me a comment and I'll do it on another quilt. But I'm auditioning whether to look better in the solid plain blue or solid plain blue with a bit of patchwork, or have on it those blue flowers, which is actually going to be the backing. And I think they take away from it, so I think I'm going to do a 6-inch plain border all the way around, and then that'll go in my quilting pile. That'll make the 3rd quilt I've got to quilt. Bye.